In this video, I want to show you how to do a hard reset, or what we call a factory reset. So for this, you're going to open the back panel of your miHealth. You're going to take the battery out. And when you're unplugging the battery, you want to very gently tug on the cords here, and you'll see the little connector come out. That should be a very easy process. You want to do it very gently. And then what you want to do here is press and hold the gray button. So I'm going to press and hold that, and keep it pressed in as you put the battery back in. Get that little connector back in, and you'll notice the little pins are going to be facing you. There we go. So once you see a white screen, you can release the gray button in the front, and you can place the battery correctly and close the little compartment. Okay, so now our miHealth is connected in recovery mode. So what we're going to do is open BioSync on the computer. Once BioSync is on, we're going to select miHealth Updater and connect the miHealth to the device. So I'm selecting miHealth Updater. It is telling me that the miHealth is connected in recovery mode. That's perfect. And I'm going to click on Recover miHealth on the BioSync software. So now what's going to happen is the software is going to be reloaded. So I'm going to click on Begin Recovery. And you'll notice that the miHealth will turn on and off. It might make some beeps. And we really don't want to touch the miHealth or any buttons or the screen for a few minutes, and we will come back and continue the recovery operation once we see a blue screen with a 3X in the top left. So I'll let the process follow its course, and then we'll come back when the 3X shows up. You might be tempted to touch the screen here, or try to touch that little arrow on the bottom left, on the bottom right. Again, please don't touch the screen or any buttons on the device until you see just a full blue screen with the 3X in the top left, and it will be very obvious when that comes up. At times you might notice that the screen is off like this, and it might look like nothing's happening for several minutes. Again, just trust the process, and the software is being reloaded in the background, but the miHealth will look like it's completely off, then nothing is happening. So just wait a few more minutes. Okay, so now we have the 3x showing up on the screen. So what you want to do is look at the bottom of the right side of your miHealth. You'll see there's a little indent there, and that is actually a stylus that you can pull out. So we're going to pull the stylus out, and what we're going to do is tap three times in the top left corner. Every time the number will change. We're now going to do the same thing in the bottom right. Now it's asking to place the unit on its back. It's already on its back, and press OK. And now stand unit on its right side, meaning we're going to do this. And now we're going to press OK on that side. Congratulations, your miHealth has been reset. So what you will want to do, the last step I would recommend doing here is to unplug the miHealth, tap on the little settings icon there, and then select calibrate electrodes. Make sure that nothing is touching the electrodes, either the top ones or the bottom ones, and then select OK. Oops. OK. And OK again. All right, calibration is complete. Your miHealth has been reset. You should be good to go.